Hi, Victoria here, Director of HBA Encompass, the Bookkeeper Hub, and of course author of Zest for Success. Yesterday we spoke about procedures. Today I'm back in my car studio, and today I want to delve a little bit more into the types of procedures that you may want to think about creating for your business. So I'm going to start with office procedures. Now, everyone at some stage has to have some admin or some procedures of some type relating to the way that you run your office. Now, I'm not saying you need to have an office in a multi-storey building or something like that. If you're working from home and you're still having customers, there will definitely be an admin component of how you run your business. So let's have a look. I'm going to just go through the book to actually talk about these, but the types of procedures that you might want to think about so that you can delegate these procedures to someone else could be telephone procedures. How we answer the phone. What do we say? Welcome to HBA Encompass. This is Victoria. So whatever it happens to be, the way that you do it, the process then about how you record a message, how you get it to someone, the frequently asked questions that your customers may ask that potentially the person answering the phone may be able to assist with. Even a procedure for how to transfer a telephone to someone else if there's a PABX system there. There's lots of things that you can think about in your daily life that you use with telephone. Then we look at bookkeeping. I'm not going to go into great depths about bookkeeping and accounting because, to be honest, it's not a terribly interesting topic, but there needs to be a process and procedure about the way things are done. Who has the authority to order goods? Who has the authority to receive goods? Who has the authority to pay goods? What's the procedure for taking money if someone comes and pays you cash? What's the procedure of taking money if they pay by FPOS? All kinds of things there. That there's so many things in what you do that needs to have these processes and procedures. Then we get into the actual bookkeeping itself about how we put the information into whatever system that you use. Now, if you use Xero, we have a great training system there on the Bookkeeper Hub website about how to use Xero, and you could use that as the documentation of how that you do it. As I said yesterday, create a flowchart, create a step-by-step process. If you use our videos, I'm okay with you asking someone else to actually create a procedure out of them. I don't have any issues with that. Now I'm just going to check the book there. So we talked about some office processes, telephones. Other ones to think about is mail. What happens when mail comes into the office? Good old snail mail. Or emails. Is there a way of recording the emails? Customer service emails, inquiries, just general emails. Is there a way of saving them or a way of replying to them? Do you have templates that you use? Debt collection. What's the process in following up your customers if they haven't paid your invoices? Is there an escalation process? Lots and lots of things to think about. I spoke about bookkeeping and I've spoken about banking, and following on from the email procedures is document management. If you have documents that you're using, where are they stored? How do you access them? Who has the ability to change them? What's the process in sending it to someone? You might type something up as a Word document, but you don't want to send a quote on a Word document. You want to send it as a PDF to make sure that your customer can't change it. Lots of things there. So processes and procedures are vital if you're going to get other people to do things for you. And as I spoke about yesterday, if you're going to build your business, you need to be able to do this. Other procedures, and I'm going to refer a book to the book again, and really the best way to look at it is there's customer service, there's marketing and sales, and then there's production, how you do the things that you actually do to get the output for your client. So that's all I'm going to go on about today about procedures. Tomorrow we're going to talk about staff and procedures. So my task for you today is to have a think about all the things that you do in your daily life. Have a bit of a brainstorm, create a mind map, write down all the things that you do and everything that you need to create a procedure for. As I said yesterday, it doesn't have to be a big process to create a procedure, but just go through one by one and knock them off and try and get a system there so you've got these process manuals so that you can delegate to other people. I'll see you on the other side.